Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm gonna guide you through how to silence unknown callers on Viber. If you're tired of getting random calls from unknown numbers on Viber, then here is how to stop the noise. First, launch the Viber app on your phone. From the home page, tap on More at the bottom right. Inside the More menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now from the Settings menu, tap on Calls and Messages. Scroll down from the Calls and Messages tab and tap on Silence Unknown Caller. After you do that, make sure that the button right next to it is ticked on. Once it is ticked, you have successfully turned on Silence Unknown Callers switch. Now unknown callers won't bother you anymore. So that is how you can easily silence unknown callers on Viber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.